In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide checklist items from board cards in Microsoft Planner. Let's get started by opening Microsoft Planner in your browser and signing in with your account. Once you're in, you'll land on your main dashboard, which gives you an overview of everything you're working on. Now, look to the left side of the screen and click My Plans in the sidebar. This brings up the list of plans available to you. From here, click the demo plan you want to work with. In this walkthrough, the plan being used is called Board Cleanup Demo. With the plan open, look near the top and click Board. This switches you into the board view. If board view is already selected, you can skip this and move on. Next, you'll want to open the card that is currently showing checklist items. So take a moment to find the task card that has checklist items visible right on its front. Once you've spotted it, click that task card to open it. In this example, the card being used is named Publish Spring Campaign Brief. A task details pane will now slide open. Inside this pane, scroll down until you reach the checklist section. If it's already visible on your screen, there's no need to scroll. Now we're going to hide the checklist preview from the board card. Under the checklist heading, find the option labeled Show in Board View and click it to turn that setting off. This is what controls whether your checklist items appear on the card. Keep in mind that if your tenant is using the older version of this label, you won't see Show in Board View. Instead, you'll see a checkbox called Show on Card. In that case, simply clear that checkbox to get the same result. Once the setting is turned off, click the X in the upper right corner of the Task Details pane to close it. Now turn your attention back to the task card itself. Take a look at it again and confirm that the checklist items are no longer showing on the card preview. And that's the result we wanted. The board card still appears in Planner just like before, but the checklist items are now hidden from the card preview. If you ever need them, opening the task will still show the full checklist inside the Task Details pane. Congratulations, you've successfully hidden checklist items from your board cards in Microsoft Planner.